So I'm gonna change in the whole housing of diesel filter and water separator. This is the front. That's a filter. There's a block for the back, and I also got the for the heater, just in case the temperature gets too cold. I might get it then later. So that's the whole kit right there. So basically, I don't use the hose, so I'm just using a party cup, hold on to where they drain the water separator, and just hold it and turn the knob, and just wait until see if almost full, and just turn it off. So you gotta turn pretty much all, like about 6-7 turn. I hope you can hear the drop. So I'm probably gonna drain it a few times because I don't see how much is fuel in the cup. So this it won't make a mess onto the shaft right here. Take a little bit of time, but it worked pretty well for me. There you go, turn it off. Fully turn it up. Pour into my pan over here. And just do it again. Okay, time for an update. How do I take this housing off? It's a little bit complicated for my first time. So drop it. So with this one, you just wiggle it out. With this one, when you take the blue pin out, and there's a button in the back right here, you gotta press it in to wiggle it out. At first I didn't know. I thought the bracket over here to pull it out, and trying to yank it out, I couldn't do it. But also there's a button right here. You press it and wiggle a little bit, it come out. Also, I couldn't take this out first because I didn't know there's a pin right here. I thought it was a press button. So I had to take the 13mm wrench, started to get this 2 screw out with the whole housing down, lean on sideways, and I saw this pin, and then just press and pull this aside and pull it out. That's pretty much it. And then now it's time to go to assembly them. So basically I'm gonna, this is just the housing for the filter, and this is the heater. Gonna twist them together. I got this on. It's a bitch, so I gotta put it on a vise, twist the crap out of it. I thought I can twist by hand, but no, because the rubber piece in there. Without a rubber piece you can twist it easy, but yeah, it aligns. So when you put it in, got room, because twist by hand, it go the angle right here with the hose right here, go this way, it's no good. So yeah, the longer thinner rod toward the bolt up here, the fatter one toward the angle here, and the provided sensor, twist it in, hand tie, and use this to tighten a little bit more. The heater components, you put the black wire on the left and the white wire onto the right hand. So, and it's labeled as LHA on the left and RHB onto the right hand. So that's what it look like with the groove on top like that. Also you have to put this on first, because when you bolt it on, I don't want to twist this when I'm down on the ground. So twist it on first, and that's the whole housing. So let's bolt it on. So anyway, I bolted on with this 2 13mm screw, hand tight, and I put this back, just push it back in and put the clip back in, wiggle, see if it stay or not. Same thing with the thin one. Make sure every time you put in, you hear a click on each one of them, even with the blue pin. After that, I put the sensor plug in. This is the heater. I plug this one back in, and also I do a little bit of zip tie. See if you can see it. Put a zip tie onto it, so it don't hang down here. So I don't know, make it more clean, pretty much. Now I'm just bolt the filter on. So anyway, that's the whole install of the filter water separator. Look nice and clean. Next time I just need to twist it off. I believe this thing tightness go this way, so this thing go that way, so this thing come out, so it can lock, and that's it.